just a quick video how I MacGyvered a choke on a carburetor. So there's nothing wrong with it, but I swapped out the carburetor and I didn't have the pipe going from the choke to the exhaust, or the exhaust to the choke. So what was happening is the choke was, that little tab, the choke tab was falling, and it was if the choke is not working, then it stays on high idle. It causes the carburetor to stay on very high idle. And then, as the engine heats up, the choke moves, and it moves that tab, that little tab there with the dents on it, and it allows the car to go to low idle. So without that pipe, it causes, like I said, the car to stay at high idle, which is very annoying. It makes it annoying to drive. So what I did, just to get by for the time being till I got home, I just put a zip tie, and the end of the zip tie is locking that. So now I'm going to remove it, so you can hopefully see. And now it's the end of the zip tie there. And yeah, so now I'm going to make the proper pipe for it. It's just a standard quarter inch diameter pipe. And yeah, that's how I MacGyvered it. And so basically I bypassed it, I closed it, I made it stuck on low idle. If you don't understand what the choke does, the choke's only job is when the car is just started. The engine is cold and you want less air going in. So it closes this top plate here. It closes it a certain amount, restricting the air. So it basically changes the mixture of gas to air. And then as the engine heats up, it just opens completely, and it's out of the it doesn't do anything, right? So yeah, I think that explains it well.